Hi guys, I trust you are good. On my side, I'm also doing good. In today's video, we are going to make half cake, aka kangumu or hard mandazi, in whatever language you may understand. We need sugar, quarter cup of sugar, 2 eggs. I've already split the eggs. 2 cups of sugar of milk if necessary. Lemon rind. I've just grated it already. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then oil. Then we have the flour here. I'll also need lemon juice. Welcome guys. Baking powder, salt, sugar, lemon rind, and then you mix. And then you add oil. Plenty of oil. At this stage, I'm just mixing with oil alone. Alternatively, you can use margarine. Mix with oil until you get something like this, wet like this. This is only oil, no water, no milk yet. Next, lemon juice. I'm doing like this to avoid the spillage of seeds in the mixture. Next, eggs. Then continue mixing. Next, you add milk bit by bit as you mix, because we want to come out with a hard dough, not a soft one, because of the half cakes or kangumu. Repeat the same, just bit by bit as you mix. Continue mixing. Something like this. You can see the consistency. Next, you cover it for almost 20 minutes before frying. Let us cover. 20 minutes later, we are here. This is the dough. Time to roll and cut and shape our half cakes. Stay tuned, guys. Dust with flour your clean working surface like this, and then it's time to roll. These tiny green things you see here, they're the lemon rinds, guys. Come up with something like this, guys. You see how I've shaped it? Then you cut like this. You come up with such a thing. Then you come up with such shapes. Just shape according to your desires. Mine are like this, ready for frying. In a frying pan or pot, you put your dough like this. The oil should not be so hot, guys, just medium, for it to cook from inside like this until it turns golden brown. That's the time when you remove. Like this, guys. You see how the oil is forming? It's because of the eggs that I added in the dough. So we turn like this for it to cook on the other side. Are ready. You repeat the next stage, second part. The house is smelling so nice, guys. Guys, our half cakes are done. This is the result. They're very crunchy and soft from inside. Just follow the procedure, and you can also do the same, guys. Best served with tea or any beverage, soda, juice. That's all for today, guys. Continue subscribing to my channel for you to get more videos like this. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye.